This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 25, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.26 points or 0.06% to 411.03. Total trade volume was down, with 43,090 shares changing hands at a total value of 245.8 million real, or over $61,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up and 3 were down. Leading the market was Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, up 3.48% or 500 real to 14,880 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 0.46% or 10 real to 2,170 real per share. The other 2 stocks up were Grand Twins International and the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Akleda Bank, down 0.55% or 40 real to 7,220 real per share, followed by MJQ Education, which was down 0.47% or 10 real to 2,100 real per share. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was also down 20 real to 6,280 real per share. Meanwhile, Pestec Cambodia and CamGSM stayed flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was up 0.48% or 10 real to 2,100 real per share, while JS Land was down 0.33% or 10 real to 3,050 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 21,169 shares changing hands at a total value of 152.9 million real, or over $38,000, which is about 49% of Tuesday's total trade volume. CamGSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, with 5,816 shares changing hands at a total value of 14 million real, or around $3,500, approximately 13% of February 25th's total trade volume. In other market news, Telco Tech Limited announced to its investors that the coupon and principal repayment of its corporate bonds have been transferred to all investor accounts via Akleda Bank PLC, with a net total payment of over $2 million. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,011 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 106.59. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose for a second day on Tuesday as fresh US sanctions imposed on Middle Eastern producer Iran increased concerns that supply might tighten, while global refining margins remain strong. Brent crude futures rose 15 cents or 0.2% to $74.93 US dollars a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures climbed 23 cents or 0.3% to $70.93 US dollars a barrel. Both contracts gained in Monday's session after a $2 drop last Friday. Gold prices declined as investors booked profits after bullion hit a record high on safe haven demand, amid concerns that U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff plans could fuel inflation and trigger a major global trade war. Spot gold fell 0.5% to $2,937.03 US dollars an ounce after scaling its all-time high of $2,956.15 US dollars on Monday. US gold futures declined 0.4% to $2,952 US dollars. S&P 500 futures inched higher early Tuesday after the broad market index was unable to recover from last week's sell-off, notching its third session in the red. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.15%, while the Nasdaq 100 futures traded around the flat line. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 71 points or 0.16%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 25th.